This will be short but quite important. But first, I'd like to show you this prescription glass that I had. Uh, I think I bought this sometime 2017, and I've been using this since that time until around 2020, something like that. Although I started wearing prescription glasses since the, the late 80s. By the way, this is how it looks. I encountered a miracle, guys, during the pandemic. So for almost maybe even 2 years, we've been wearing face masks, and sometimes you also have a bigger protection that covers our eyes and mouth. And during the time, whenever you are wearing glasses like this and you are breathing, right, it creates a like a fog. It becomes foggy, and it's very annoying. So what I did was, and probably what most people did, they just got rid of the glasses and just be contented on walking around with those uh, uh, covers on your face without any glasses. But lo and behold, after the pandemic, when people are now allowed to go out, you know what? My eyesight normalized, and I can now watch TV without any glasses. When I'm in the church and there are a lot of monitors there, usually I stay at the back, and that could be around 100 feet from me and the altar. I can even read the monitor uh, in that distance. So it's really a miracle that I, in a way, gained my eyesight, so to speak. In fact, even prior to that, in 2016, uh, I took some medicine on helping on managing my cholesterol. And I think that had a side effect on my eyesight, wherein I had double vision. And when I stopped the medication, it was gone. And the doctor confirmed that that was one of the side effects of the medicine that I was taking. But what's the importance of why I'm saying this right now? Sometimes disastrous events have some good things that uh, that result out of those, right? So I'm sure, of course, that the pandemic was a global nightmare for everyone. But nevertheless, if there is something good that happened because of that, is my eyesight. It has improved. Maybe my brain was able to train itself, not to depend on that prescription glass. So I'm great. I feel great about it, and it's now a good story to tell. Uh, uh, Something that happened to me. Definitely, this is a unique circumstances. It's just about me. So now going to our topic, the lesson from hurt. So normally, when we are hurt, which is bad, right? We don't like that. Normally, if we just dance with the music, so to speak, and we just trusted God that everything will be all right, something good will arise out of that hurt. And I think, based on my experience, it is God's way of teaching us new things. There was a time that I was really hurt, but I will not expound on that. It gave me the opportunity to really learn about myself. Now, I know that I am mentally stronger because of that instance. And sometimes you get hurt so that you will know that you can do better, right? Even in sports, sometimes when you obtain an injury, let's say, so now you know how to avoid it. And sometimes when your injury heals, you become stronger, and that doesn't bother you anymore. Like for example, I've dislocated my right shoulder 3 times playing basketball, playing basketball, and now I know how how to prevent such an accident when playing basketball, and I know now how to move better, how to make sure that I position myself to prevent such situation from happening. So again, I will not say that being hurt is a good thing. Per se, it's not. But if we learn the lesson that will arise out of it, I cannot tell you the lesson because I've said, just like what happened to my eyesight, it is an individual thing. It is a case-to-case basis because all of us have our own story, and all of us has a unique lesson to learn so that our life will be better. And now you can handle challenges, the life's curveball, so to speak, better. You become wiser, you become smarter, and you worry less because you know that you will survive. So, most importantly, when the hurt is really that big, it is really very important to reach out to God. As He said that when uh, when the trouble is of such magnitude that you need rest, then turn on to Him, and He will give you rest. He will give you the caring. So that's why it's really very important. Let's not wait for us to be hurt before going to God, because every day is an opportunity to reach out to God, talk to Him, and ask for guidance. So that's what we need to do, and that is the lesson. I know I've been hurt a lot, so many times, whether in relationships, at work, in business, or anything. And I know the best lesson that I've learned is about reaching out to God. And when I've done everything that I can humanly possible, then it's about time to trust God. Visualize great things because God is preparing you for a better life ahead. Thank you. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. Uh, Today, breakfast will be chicken. Probably I'll do chicken adobo. So I'll show it to you later when it's cooked. So let's continue to pray for Pope Francis for full recovery. See you later, guys. So let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll have great adobo.